Amorph Pro, Smart Unifier. Welcome, Industry 4.0. These days, the industrial digitalization has become the new essential for companies. This means to ensure connectivity of all assets in a fast and efficient way, and boost your equipment connectivity to Industry 4.0. Smart Unifier is the tool for transforming data into real value. Close the gap between your production equipment and your production IT, providing an infrastructure to connect anything to anywhere. Smart Unifier will enable you to create connectivity wherever you need it, build unlimited scalability from small to large, and enrich your data with context information to enable your Internet of Things and speed up your migration to Industry 4.0. With Smart Unifier, you create intelligent insights into your production equipment as a basis to improve your maintenance and health monitoring for a high-performing, easy-to-use, secure, and cost-efficient infrastructure. Your success is our motivation. Amorph Pro, Smart Unifier. The world of connectivity. Connect anything to anywhere.